Item number 1.
Notice to deceive na? Notice to deceive. Time being quite horny, you know. Let it be time being. That's notice to the item number 1. You set up a last of nothing to the hand.
Item number 2.
That's the 483 application. Offenses under section 305B, 317, 2, 336, 3, 16, 1, 2. 61, 2 of BNS and read with section 21, 22 of the FOPTA, 2023. The affair is that case number 12 and except 2 million. May I read me? With reference to the subject cited above, I respectfully state that on 8/3/2025 at approximately 2:08 AM, the Shialda Kanchenjunga Express train number so-and-so arrived at New Bongaigaon railway station, acting on reliable information regarding the smuggling of a large quantity of contraband foreign cigarettes from Silchar to Shialda. A team from the New Bongaigaon DRP Investigation Center was formed. The team included so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. Next parameter, based on the received information, a search was conducted on the rear VP number so-and-so of the Shialda Kanchenjunga Express at New Bongaigaon railway station. During the search, the following contraband items were recovered. 2 large packets containing 400 bundles of foreign cigarette labels Win King size cigarette manufactured by Hongyi Hongte Tobacco Group Company Limited, China. Each bundle contained 10 packets with each packet containing 20 cigarettes. In total, 400 packets and 80,000 cigarettes were recovered. Two large packets containing 250 bundles of foreign cigarettes labeled Gudang Garam International, manufactured by PT Gudang Garam Tobacco, Kedri, Indonesia. Each bundle contained 20 packets with each packet containing 20 cigarettes. In total, 5,000 packets and 60,000 cigarettes were recovered. The petitioner before your lordship is the authorized person of Marital Enterprise, which is a leaseholder of railway for transporting goods. And the person who has transported the said goods in the name of Marital, he was not arrested till that matter. And the petitioner responsible is only for loading and unloading. Your lordship, kindly see the ground at page 16, the last paragraph, 10. Page 16. Investigation of the booking documents revealed that Ram Babu Yadav, owner of Mahakali Enterprise, was the leaseholder of rear VP number so-and-so, train number so-and-so of the train. As per the booking records, permission was granted to load for large bundles of old clothes at Silchar railway station and unload them at Shialda railway station. However, the consignment was subsequently found to contain foreign origin cigarettes, falsely declared as clothing materials. It was declared by the person who booked it. It is submitted that the misdeclaration constitute a deliberate act of criminal conspiracy and cheating. The leaseholder, Rambabu Yadav, claims to have had no knowledge of the actual contents. The accused, the petitioner, the Rameshwar Singh, police order of Silchar railway station, was the authorized person responsible for loading and unloading of goods in the said VP number so-and-so, so-and-so. He knowingly loaded the consignment of foreign cigarettes under false representation. During interrogation, the accused disclosed that the contraband cigarettes belonged to Ajay Kumar, a resident of Gaya, Bihar, who has been identified as the prime accused responsible for organizing the transportation and smuggling of the contraband. A copy of the Aadhaar card in the name of Ajay Kumar, along with the relevant booking documents, has been obtained from the railway authorities and taken into custody as part of the investigation. Now, smuggling of foreign cigarettes mainly attract the violation of the provision of custom, not the police provision. And therefore, it's
Listed under compulsion.
COPTA. The punishment is only 5 COPTA.
Hmm.
For that matter, the punishment is 5,000 rupees.
Your petitioner is behind the bar since when? 5, 6.
5, 6 milligrams. Already
Yes,
recovered
Lord.
everything.
Can you call for the city?
I think so. Better to call
I
for the
did.
case diary because I don't know what is it, because otherwise he was loading those things. But if you go by the grounds of arrest and all, so not only loading with the intention and knowingly he was loading those the contraband, that is foreign cigarettes, and the consignment booking was only for clothes. But
Yes,
apart from this, it was taken. So better to see the case diary. CDB call for quota. It will be after vacation only. We don't have any other alternative. Of course, so after vacation only. From where it has to come?
Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon.
15th.
15 immediately after. Okay, 15/7. CDB call.
Item 3.
Item 4. ইমান আৰু নোৱাৰি ৰাখিব এবচেণ্ট কৰি দিম আপুনি নটিচটো দিছিল ডিসপ্লে কৰিছিল none appears on call for the petition. Release the matter accordingly after vacation.
Item 5.
Yes, Mr.
The petitioner was called by the officer in charge of Bilaspura police station over telephone, Lordship, without disclosing any case, Lordship. And the petitioner believes, Lordship, that he has filed one NIA case against a person, Lordship, and he has, Lordship, lodged any false case against him, Lordship, that regarding that transaction, Lordship, in the police station. So now my prayer at this stage, Lordship, that the PP may be directed to obtain a report from the investigating officer. And one observation may be there, Lordship, if no case is registered, he may not be harassed. If no case is there. I'm not saying that if cases is there, that part only. If no cases is there, the petitioner may not be harassed by the investigator, by the officer in charge.
Yes, Lord.
That's
Well,
why.
we can take the instruction, Lordship, but if no
We have
cases is there, no, that direction will be proper or not, Lordship, decide.
That direction can be observation Lordship can give, because otherwise, Lordship, why he will come before your Lordship?
For that, Lordship,
There is call from the investigating officer, therefore he is before your Lordship.
for that, we can take
If
instruction.
cases are
Lordship, but
there,
any
he
cases
can be
pending.
arrested, I have nothing to say. That blanket order I am not seeking. Only part is that if cases are not there, he should not be harassed. That is the law.
So your petitioner is telephonically called by the
Yes,
IO.
IO.
What
Regarding that
Lordship,
transaction part.
in some cases, Lordship, he is not the primary case. If he is not the primary case, and no, during for purpose of investigation, he may be called for, Lordship. So
Maybe.
Lordship,
Maybe.
so Lordship, Lordship, can fix it any other day, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Huh?
In-
Fixing a date is now not possible.
So that I can take instruction.
Because
Lordship.
the division bench, then again, somehow a division bench is a bit
So that I can
rise
take
it with
instruction whether any case is pending against him or not, Lordship. Because if any case is pending, then
No, I am not saying, Lordship, he should not be arrested. I am saying only harassing part. I am not seeking for arrest, Lordship.
But the question is harassing part, obviously I can understand, but the question is that as Mr. Locker submitted, then you may not be an accused of a
Okay.
case or whatever. But you may be called for some interrogation or to interrogate something or for thing. That is if it is not harassed parties that a police may not call.
Or you Lordship observe that if he is not an accused. That part all will also do. Because to my understanding, Lordship, as per my instruction, Lordship, that he has lost one case, but that was not registered. They are trying to settle the issue in the police station, so therefore they are forcing him to come to the police station. So if he goes and it is registered, then it will be difficult. So only on that part. If it is registered, arrest me. I have nothing to say. But by keeping that pending, they cannot threaten me. That is the only thing.
or if he is not the accused of any cases or he is not any case against him.
Yes.
Till
in that
now,
he's-
Ahmed has no such instruction that any case has been registered against him. But that is the only. Anyway, heard Mr. A. Ahmed, Dilani, counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B.S. Longford, Dilani, additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, section so and so, connection to Naha, so and so. Seeking a distributory bill for the present petition. It is submitted by Mr. Ahmed that the present petitioner had lodged an
CR case.
NI case against whom? One who against whom?
Against lordship that against Bijoy Kumar Sinha.
Against one Vijay Kumar Sinha, which has already been registered as CR
CR case number 119 of 2025.
119 of 2025,
Pending the court of SDGM M. Bilasipara.
pending in the court of SDGM M. Bilasipada. But recently the petitioner is receiving phone call from the police station without giving any case details and all, and for which the present petition has been filed by the petitioner. Next para, Mr. Lockhart, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that he will take instructions as to whether any case has been registered against the present petitioner or not from the concerned police station. Mr. Ahmed, considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, let a report be called for from the concerned police station. Further, till the receipt of the report, if the petitioner may not be harassed by the investigate by the concerned police station, if any cases, if there is no cases registered against him till date. But it will again create some problem.
Or his interrogation or presence is not required in any case.
Or his interrogation or presence is not required in any other case. List accordingly. You fix a date better too. We are reopening in 14, no?
14.
14 maybe, or 15, 16?
16 also.
16, 7. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Time being, item number 1.
No one has prayed for time being, just we have
So
prayed
no
for
one
time
knows
being.
whether your worship will say earlier. Sorry, madam, we have to have monitored it one. Suddenly they told me.
Actually, court, yes, that's why we could
Sorry,
keep it in time being only. Anyway, yes.
But in this case, what happened, I found, I have not seen earlier, statutory period will be over on 13 July. And some co-accused got bail yesterday, my lord. So my prayer would be, my lord, that related to withdrawn with the liberty to approve the trial court and trial court in accordance with law, my lord.
You want to withdraw it now?
My lord, with a observation, my dear lordship.
That observation you need also for,
Observation in accordance with law, my lord.
Yes, yes.
That is the answer. I'm not
Okay.
saying,
Okay.
undue, I am not saying.
Oh. Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, assisted by Mr.
Yes.
S.H.
Yes.
S. Na? S.S. Ahmed, na?
Right.
Ahmed. And counsel for the petitioner. So heard Mr. B.S. Longko, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Chaudhary that as per instructions of his client, he wants to withdraw the same and want to prefer a bail application before the learned trial court below. Next part, considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, cases with disposed on withdrawal, and the petitioner may approach the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered in accordance with law.
Right. Disposed.
Disposed.
Item number 6.
She took was in the head. Acha.
Kindly pass over typing.
Timing, we are not sitting here. Timing may not be there.
May kindly see page 10. FIR.
Page 10,
Yes.
FIR.
The state accused number 3 is my wife. Accused number 3 is my wife.
Otherwise, it is a certificate matter, my lord.
Certificate and
Scan copy will be required.
Oh, it is a charge sheet
certificate and showing as absconder.
showing you as an absconder.
Absconder. But no police officer came to visit my house and
No, that is to during the investigation only. We cannot say at this stage. So that's why we need the case diary.
When the petitioner receives someone from the Smuggling and he
That only
through
he
his
came to
learned-
know.
through his learned English counsel each and every day.
He can?
He approached already before the learned court below
Huh.
by way of learned counsel.
Huh. That was rejected?
No rejected. No NBW show, no bay. Yes, the section 376 IPC and which is tribal by session code, which case is pending before the JMFC Kuliabar. Yes,
Okay, we call for this scan copy then.
Can copy or let him appear court below, court will proceed as part
Yes.
of.
You can approach otherwise the learned trial court below. Now someone has already issued
Issued.
against you. Only someone.
I received someone and accordingly I appeared. Pro learned counsel.
Now then what is the order therefore trial?
No, just we.
You received the summon, you appear through your counsel
Yes.
or you personally appear?
Order is already included. Mechanic.
In which page?
Page 27.
27. Okay, accused is absent with steps.
Yeah, Lordship.
Then we can make a direction for appearance.
Yes, madam.
And it seems that there is no such order of NBWA also. May not be corrosive action, that may be only one order. Okay.
Lordship.
You are Mr.
Yeah, along.
A. Alam, hard Mr. A. Alam, the Learned Counsel. What is this?
This honorable already released on bail, same as showing as absconder. Same
Oh.
order.
That credit will not come. madam.
This Lordship was already released.
Released on bail? Cannot be released on bail, I think. You were asked to appear only 15 days within. That is the order only. Here to your against you, no NBW, nothing has been issued.
As the case is tribal by session, if I appear the learned court below, then
Why it is tribunal by under which section it is registered?
section 376 IPC.
376 IPC. And then in that case, too, we have to peruse the case diary. Otherwise, it's not a may not be case.
Lordship, the case is very interesting, Lordship. Lordship.
No, maybe interesting, but the question we are not, we don't have any time.
Academic quiz, Lordship.
No, we don't have time for such long hearing. Because the question is that if your case is 376, you have received it, obviously that may be one of the reasons that you may be. So we'll direct you 15 days time, within 15 days time, no corrective action shall be taken against you. Otherwise, it will be operate as a thing. And within 15 days, you appear.
Obliged.
Otherwise, complete NBWA, we cannot, anticipatory, we cannot grant at this stage. Okay.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. A. Alam, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. R. Kaushik, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application in section so and so in connection with so and so. It's submitted by Mr. Alam that the present accused petitioner is innocent and he is to be connected in the alleged offense. He was not aware about any filing of the FIR against him or registering a case against him. He was full stop. He was never searched by police during the investigation, but he came to know about dependency of this case only after receiving a summon from the learned trial court below. However, after receiving a summon, he appeared through his counsel, and time was also granted for the petitioner for appearance. Height order dated 13/3/2025. However, as the case has been charge sheeted showing him as an absconder, there is maybe apprehension of arrest in connection with this case, and hence the present petition has been filed seeking the anticipatory bail. Next one, Mr. Kaushik, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard. The petitioner may be directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, and without perusal of the case record and the case diary, the order of anticipatory bail may not be granted at this stage. Next, hearing the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, and perusing the case record, it is seen that only summon is issued to the present petitioner at this stage, And the petition filed on behalf of the accused petitioner is also allowed by the learned trial court below. Next, but considering all these aspects of the case, the present petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court below within 15 days from the date of order. Until 15 days, no coercive action shall be taken against the present petitioner. With the above observation, the present statement is disposed. Oh,
Declare bless.
oh.
Item number 7.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Kindly come to the page number 14, Lordship. Is that
1-4?
Yes, Lord. FIR in vernacular.
Yes.
সন্মান সহকাৰে আপোনাক জনাও যে আজি ইংৰাজী 24 তাৰিখে নজান মছজিদত জুম্মা নামাজৰ পাছত ৰাইজৰ মাজত আগৰ কমিটি ৰফিক আলীয়ে আজি প্ৰায় 18 বছৰ পৰ্যন্ত হিচাপ নিদিয়া আৰু জমিৰ আলীয়ে ঈদগাহৰ মিনাৰা নামত সংগ্ৰহ কৰা টকাৰ আজি 2 বছৰ পৰ্যন্ত হিচাপ নিদিয়া আলোচনা শেষ কৰা হয়। তাৰ পাছত সকলো ৰাইজ ঘৰে ঘৰে যায়। সেইদৰে ময়ো ঘৰলৈ যাবলৈ মছজিদত গেট পাৰ হৈ ৰাস্তাত উঠো। সেই সময়তে 1 নং বিবাদী জমিৰ আলীয়ে মোক পিছফালৰ পৰা ৰড আৰু ইটাৰে মূৰত আঘাত কৰি প্ৰাণে মৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰে আৰু মই বাটত ঢলি পৰো। তেতিয়া মোৰ মূৰৰ পৰা তেজ ওলোৱা দেখি মোৰ পুত্ৰ ইয়াকুব আলী মোৰ ওচৰলৈ আহে। 1 নং বিবাদীৰ লগত উপস্থিত থকা ভাতৃদ্বয় সমীৰ আলী, তাহাজুদ্দিন, কবিৰ আলী, আজিমুদ্দিনে মিলি মোক আৰু পুত্ৰক বেয়া ধৰণে মাৰপিট কৰি প্ৰাণে মৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰে। সময়মতে পুলিচ আহি উপস্থিত হোৱাত আটাইকেইজন বিবাদী পলাই যায় যদিও 4 নং বিবাদী কবিৰ আলী আটক কৰে আৰু থানালৈ লৈ যায়। This is the first FIR, Lordship.
Kobir Ali atak kore, again you are filing the petition for Kobir Ali.
But he has been released.
Subsequently,
Subsequently, he was released. And
he was not arrested.
no. Lordship, this is the first FIR for which I have approached before this honorable court. And this was cross FIR, Lordship. The page number 22, Lordship. This was from the petitioner side. সন্মান সহকাৰে আপোনাক জনাও যে আজি ইংৰাজী 24 তাৰিখে দিনৰ 1 মান বজাত নজান জামে মছজিদৰ নামাজ পঢ়ি উঠাৰ পিছত মছজিদৰ পুৰণা সমিতি ভংগ আৰু নতুন সমিতি গঠন কৰিবৰ বাবে এখন সাধাৰণ সভা আহ্বান কৰিবৰ বাবে ৰাইজে সমিতিৰ সভাপতি সম্পাদক কথাষাৰ দাঙি ধৰাত ৰাইজৰ আৰু সমিতিৰ মাজত কিছু তৰ্ক পেচাল হয় যদিও পিছত বুজাবুজিৰ মাজেৰে সাম কাটে। তাৰ পাছত ৰাইজ ঘৰাঘৰি যায় আৰু ময়ো মছজিদৰ পৰা ওলাই আহোঁতে 1 নং বিবাদীয়ে ৰাইজক কমিটি ভংগ কৰাত মোৰ জোৰ দিয়া বুলি মোক মাৰিবলৈ ধৰ্মাৰকৈ উচতাই দিয়াত মোক মাৰপিট কৰে। তেনেতে মোৰ ভাই কবিৰ আলী ঘটনাস্থলীত আহোঁতে তাক বিবাদীগণে ৰাস্তাত দৌৰাই মাৰপিট কৰে। ফলত আমাৰ শৰীৰত জখম হয়। Lordship, this is the
Your case is registered as
64
and their case is
63.
you have filed subsequently.
Yes, we filed subsequently. Lordship, actually the petitioners and the informant are the relatives. The FIR is motivated by political rivalry and family discord, Lordship. Wife of petitioners number 2 contested in the recent Panchayat election, and informant sister-in-law also participated in the election. And petitioner number 2's wife has defeated the sister-in-law of the informant, Lordship. Actually, this is a political rivalry, Lordship. That's why my FIR has been motivated, Lordship. Then, Lordship.
Yes, Lord.
Well,
Yeah.
Justice, I pray for the CD. So the allegation is my lord Javier sir, my lord. In fact, if possible, both the CD may be called for.
Lordship, petitioner number 1 is a government teacher, Lordship, and he is a neurological patient, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to the page number 27, Lordship. He has been suffering from neurological disorder since 2020.
But in spite of having neurological disorder,
Lord.
he engaged himself in marpit.
No, Lordship, actually, this is a false
It's in
Lordship.
spite of his
It
neurosis.
is false Lordship.
Then
So
what
it is
to
a
do?
political rivalry, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Motiur Rahman, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Rahman that the present accused petitioners are innocent and they have not committed any such offense as well as in the FIR. However, it is a fact that there was an altercation between two groups after a meeting. What was the discussion in the meeting regarding?
Old committee, Masjid committee.
Masjid committee, indeed regarding new formation of new Masjid committee. And but the new Masjid committee and subsequently due to some political rivalry and family dispute, the petitioner, the informant lost the case against the present petitioners, all the present petitioners, with some false and concocted allegation. However, the petitioner number 1 also lost an FIR against the informant and some others with the same allegation of assault and assault. All the petitioners are the permanent resident of this locality, and they will extend their cooperation in further investigation of this case if they are granted with some interim protection. Duita case they call for. One is 60 PS key piece.
One is 63, another is 54.
Jokhala Bandha. Call for the case there of both the cases. One is a Jokhala Bandha PS case number 63/2025. Other one is Jokhala Bandha PS case number 64/2025. Okay, you'll be under interim protection. CDB call for when it can be called for.
I'm sorry, Lordship, on 22nd July.
22nd. Yes.
I got an item for, I was on the way, Lordship, but I could not appear, Lordship. In the meantime, it was this, Lordship.
Okay, I'll call you later.
Lordship, like.
Item number 8.
Yes.
Second bill application, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, some new facts I have included in my bill petition on list of which, Lordship, I have read the second before this second.
What are the new facts, those?
Yes, Your Lordship. And the thing is, Your Lordship, this is a case, Your Lordship, where 66A and 67 of the IT Act is there, Your Lordship. So it was a case, Your Lordship, registered on 9 April 2025, Your Lordship. Now, investigation of that case at that stage, Your Lordship, that was a preliminary. When the earlier rejection order was there, Your Lordship, 9 May, Your Lordship, at page number 20, Your Lordship, 9 May 2025, Your Lordship. So investigation has been progressing. Otherwise, the allegation is that I have spread some photographs and in the pornographical side, Your Lordship, and some message has been viral in internet, Your Lordship, through. So, Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, if Lordship kindly.
So your new ground, what is your new ground? Only the investigation.
Investigation is there.
Part.
Here. One more thing is there, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, the lady, Your Lordship, who complained that she has some mentally, Lordship, so her whose photograph has been viral, has been alleged to be viral, Your Lordship. Her state, some screenshot of messages are there, Your Lordship, whereby she threatened, Your Lordship, because earlier that was not with me, Your Lordship. When Your Lordship CD came, then only I got to know that the C has done the whole thing, Your Lordship. So I have some screenshot of her messages whereby she threatened, Your Lordship.
She threatened.
Yes, she threatened the petitioner. I will finish your career, Your Lordship. So these things are there, Your Lordship. And one more ground is that updated case diary may be called for, so that cybercrime report may be there, Your Lordship. Whether I have spread the message viral or pornographical site, that may be at least, Lordship, clear, Your Lordship. That is humble prayer. I'm not paying for any interim protection, Your Lordship. I'm paying for the updated CD, Lordship. And Lordship, other facts are also there, Your Lordship.
Heard MSG Bora, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, section so-and-so, in connection with so-and-so. It is submitted by MS Bora that this earlier bail application for the present petitioner was rejected by it on
9-5, your lordship.
9/5,
Lordship,
9/5, 2025 in AB number 968 of 2025. However, during the lapse of this period, there may be the investigation may be sufficiently progressed, and that apart she received some threatening messages which was given to the present petitioner by the informant. Next paragraph. Considering this submission made by Lana Council for both sides, let the CD be called for. Yes, when it can be. You want to say the along with this those report of
Lordship, cybercrime report.
cybercrime
They
report.
are lordship.
CD may be called for along with this cybercrime report. If available, yes, when it can be.
Minus 16.
16th.
Can it be at vacation months, your lordship, with due respect?
Vacation?
Lordship,
What vacation?
Vacation.
No.
Lord-
Bothering anyone in the vacation.
Lordship.
We are not, I'm not here in the vacation period.
Much obliged.
Item number
16/7.
16.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
In this case, the petitioner before your lordship is a manager, my lord, of a particular pump. petrol pump. Manager of a particular petrol pump, my lord,
Huh.
situated at Madhuria.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, he was working there for about 5 years. Now, my lord, he took a loan from his owner, my lord, of rupees 1,50,000, subject to a condition, my lord, that he will repay the amount, my lord, 10,000 per month, which will be deducted from his salary. On
Loan
that
from
count, my lord,
the, loan from the,
loan from the owner of the petrol pump, my owner. I am manager, my lord. I took loan from my owner, rupees 1,50,000. Unlike others, my lord, there are altogether, my lord, 23 employees. Most of them, my lord, they used to take loan, and, my lord, subject to condition that it will be adjusted, deducted a particular amount from the salary, my lord. On that count, my lord, we have executed a money receipt, but an undertaking, which I have annexed, my lord. First of all, your lordship will find, my lord, annexure, page 13, my lord, the FIR. FIR, my lord. May I read it, my lord?
Hmm.
Has your lordship got it, my lord?
yes.
With due respect, I, Udipto Borbora, proprietor of Messrs. Madhgaria Auto Service Indian Oil Pump, petrol pump situated 1 number Madhgaria near SBI Madhgaria branch, want to bring your notice that the said persons mentioned in the subject above was working as a manager in my petrol pump for a period of approximately 4 to 4.5 years. Due to my busy schedule, I do not get sufficient time to check my petrol pump on of accounts on daily basis due to the due to that the said person took undue advantage of the situation and used a sum of rupees 1,50,000 from my business premises for his personal use without taking any permission. On checking my books of accounts recently, I found that there was a short of my petrol pump cash by amount mentioned above. On inquiry, it was found that the manager mentioned subject above had committed this offense. I had given him enough time to return the money back. This is very important. I have given enough time to return money back, continuing to his duty, but his intention is not good. He did not show any urgency to return the money during the time I gave him. My lord, now your lordship kindly turn to the page, my lord. Thereafter, police, my lord, came. Police, my lord, seized some articles, including, my lord, the money receipt. My lord, in the FIR itself, down below your lordship will find enclosure, copy of money receipt, amount taken by Sanjeev Kumar Deka. I am Sanjeev Kumar Deka, my lord. Then his PAN card, voter ID, electricity bill, etc. These were all annexed with the FIR. Now, my lord, I would like to your lordship bring kind attention to the, my lord, the money receipt, my lord, which I have annexed, my lord, at page your lordship will find, my lord, Page 20 is the vernacular. And page 18 is the translated copy, my lord. May I read the vernacular, my lord? মই শ্রী সঞ্জীব কুমার ডেকা তৃতীয় স্বর্গীয় হরমোন ডেকা নুনমাটি 1 নং পানবাড়ি ঘর নম্বর সোয়েন্স মদঘরিয়া অটো সার্ভিস ইন্ডিয়ান অয়েল কোম্পানী যোৱা 20 ইংৰাজী ডিচেম্বৰৰ পৰা এতিয়ালৈকে মেনেজাৰ হিচাপে কাম কৰি আছিলো। মই মালিকৰ অজ্ঞাতে নজনাকৈ 17 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী দিনা মুঠ কিমান টকা মালিকে নজনাকৈ ললো। আগত এবাৰ মোক মালিকক জনাই আগধন হিচাপে ইমান টকা ঋণ হিচাপে লৈ দৰমহাৰ পৰা মাহেকীয়া হিচাপত 8,071 টকা পৰিশোধ কৰাৰ বাবে প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলো, যিটো মই মালিক শ্ৰী উদীপ্ত প্ৰদীপ বৰবৰাৰ পেবৰ পৰা নজনাকৈ লৈছিলো। তাৰ বাবে মই মাৰ্চৰ 2025ত 70,000 টকা পৰিশোধ কৰি বাকীখিনি মাহিলী দৰমহাৰ পৰা 10,000 টকাকৈ দিয়াৰ প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলো। তাৰে মাৰ্চ মাহৰ পৰা প্ৰথম কিস্তি 10,000 টকা দিয়া হৈছিল। মোৰ মালিকে আকৌ পাম্পৰ হিচাপ চোৱাত আকৌ খেলিমেলি পোৱাত কমলেশ্বৰ বৰ্মন বুলি কাউণ্টাৰৰ এজনৰ তেলৰ পইচা যিটো মই পাম্পত দিব লাগিছিল মুঠ 31,000 টকা কলিতা নামৰ পৰা লোৱা 13,076 টকা মুকুট চন্দ্ৰৰ পৰা 1,000 টকা মালিকক 3,235 টকা আৰু খুচুৰা মুঠ 1,59,727 টকা মালিকক নজনোৱাকৈ নিজৰ নামত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছো। গতিকে এতিয়া মই মালিকক মাহিলী দৰমহাৰ পৰা 12,000 টকাকৈ আদায় দিয়াৰ প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি লৈছো। এই সম্পূৰ্ণ সুস্থ শৰীৰত মই কথাখিনি লিখিছো আৰু যদি পলাই যাওঁ মালিক মহোদয় মোৰ ওপৰত আইনী ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব পাৰিব। This is the undertaking, my lord.
That means he নজনোৱাকৈ everything is given.
My lord, fact remains.
He could have
Thereafter,
asked Malik that give me some money for monetary help and all, but he took all the money without informing him from his pocket, from his class.
he has taken money admittedly, my lord, as a loan. Admittedly as a loan, my lord.
Where
I have-
admittedly as a loan?
Your lordship, can you see the salary certificate?
No, where is admittedly as a loan?
My lord,
There's nothing in this money receipt that he admittedly it was a loan. He took all the money without informing him. And
But
then when it was they
subject-
get this,
subject to a condition, my lord, meaning thereby subject to a condition that I will repay the amount, my lord.
this is the subsequent
That-
affairs, but he took
My lord,
all the money.
that has been agreed upon by the owner, my lord. That is why this agreement, my lord. Owner has said, my lord, all right, I will deduct it from your salary, 12,000 per month. Accordingly, my lord, your lordship will see, my lord, this is the salary sheet, page 21. Salary sheet, my lord. All of the employees, my lord, most of all of the employees, my lord, they take loan. That is adjusted from salary, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, your lordship, I have no intention, my lord. I am repaying, my lord. Your lordship, I have annexed, my lord, my bank statement, my lord, in annexation 5 series, my lord. Where
we
from your
may
lordship will
take
find-
without informing, but the money receipt says that it was come to the knowledge of the, and subsequently he agreed to pay 12,000
He
per month.
agreed to pay because first of all, my lord, this FIR is not complete. Because FIR, as per FIR, my lord, there are enclosures, my lord.
Mm.
Those enclosures are not here. Whether that money receipt is this money receipt, we don't know.
That's what I'm
Yes.
just also asking, but
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
thinking of that money
We do
receipt, but
this-
we don't know whether
don't
this
know.
money receipt or that money receipt.
ma'am.
Do you have any?
Admittedly written in
But
the-
even
in
if,
the-
my lord-
in the FIR itself, my lord.
No, this money receipt and the money receipt which was
And-
seized by police is the same, or we don't know at this stage.
For certified copy, but that was not provided. It is not there in the case record, my lord. We have searched it, my lord. My junior went there, she personally, my lord, went through the record, but she did not find the money receipt.
No,
there.
once you have,
But enclosed,
just now you have told me that those money receipts have already been seized by police.
my lord, that is the seizure list, my lord. Your lordship, can you see the
Hmm.
seizure list, my lord?
Sinjali says, pay.
Yes, my lord, page 17. Page 17, kindly see, my lord. Description of seized article: 1 pen drive 16 GB SanDisk, 1 money receipt dated 23/4/2025. Same money receipt, my lord, which I have enclosed, my lord. And this is seized by police, my lord, as your lordship got it, my lord, page 17.
My lord,
But it is not there in the case record, my lord. We have applied for the certified copy of the same, but we have not been provided, my lord. That is why, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, he has furnished me a photocopy of that particular, my lord, agreement, my lord, which has been mentioned in the FIR itself and in the seizure list itself, my lord. So there is a reason to believe that this is the, my lord, the undertaking or the agreement, whatever it is, my lord, under which, my lord, there is an agreement in between me as well as my owner that I shall repay the entire amount, my lord, by way of installment per month, my lord, from my salary, 12,000 at the rate of 12,000 per month. Then where is my intention to deceive my owner, my lord? Where is the criminality, my lord? Since I have agreed, my lord, and my owner has also consented to that agreement, my lord, yes, all right, it will be deducted from
See,
it.
it seems from the
My lord,
FIR
one
that there
thing,
was a
my lord,
consent.
From here, there is no consent, and in fact, my lord, here, this is not an agreement, man.
No, this is
What
not
is
an
the-
agreement,
what
but
is
the
the-
FIR
yeah.
speaks that he
My
was
lord, this
ready
is
to accept.
Yes,
We,
yes.
if we take it as a money receipt, that is the money receipt, my lord, that is on 23/4/25, my lord. Since he didn't comply with this, then ultimately he lost the FIR, my lord.
That was obviously.
This money receipt, my lord, is evident, my lord, not our version, it is his version, my lord. He has taken this money unauthorizedly from here and there, my lord. This is not an agreement, my lord.
True, my lord.
But he
I have
himself
taken
expressing
time
his
to time.
criminality, my lord. Now he is saying the where is the criminality, my lord.
I have taken time to time with the consent, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, my lord.
My lord, that
Ultimately,
person and this
my-
person is
my lord,
different, my lord.
my lord, ultimately, my lord, I have
But the
agreed
question
upon
is
to
that
repay.
it is there in the FIR also that he
Yes.
took some money unauthorized.
Unauthorized.
That is indeed even and in the money receipt also that is there.
Yes.
Unauthorizedly he took some money
Yes.
and subsequently it was calculated and it comes to more than 150 lakhs.
I have given some petrol, sold some petrol to XYZ, my lord, out of credit. The money which has been paid later on, my lord, that was deposited in the books of accounts, my lord. That is the actual fact, my lord. I have not taken away any money. Otherwise, my lord, how can I serve a company for about 5 years, my lord, if I am doing such kind of offenses?
Okay, heard Mr. B.K. Singh, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Sen that the present petitioner was working in the petrol pump of the informant for about 5 years as a manager, and he took some money as a whole. He took a loan of rupees more than 1,50,000 from the informant, and with a undertaking to repay the same 10,000 per month. To that extent, one money receipt was also given by the present petitioner, which has already been seized by police during the investigation. It is further submitted that he took some money without informing the informant. It is submitted. It is a fact that he took some money without informing the informant. However, after the after coming to know about the but however he later on he admitted and agreed to pay rupees 10 to 12,000 per month for repayment of the loan. He is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of the case, so and so accordingly. Next paragraph, Mr. Kaushik, the learned traditional PP submitted in this regard that at this stage it cannot be said as to whether the money receipt which is annexed along with the petition is the money receipt which is seized by police at the time of investigation. More so, admittedly, the present petitioner took the money unauthorizedly without informing the owner of the petrol pump, and thus accordingly it cannot be said that the money was taken by the petitioner on loan. Next paragraph. According his, Mr. Koshi accordingly insisted to call for the case diary to know the actual fact of the case. Next, considering the entire facts and circumstances of this case and submission made by Land Council for both sides, I find it a fit case for you. Okay, we are BB extended interim protection
My lord.
till next date of listing. We're calling for the case diary. When it can be fixed for?
23rd.
23rd of July. 23rd of July.
Deeply obliged.
Huh? Oh. 3-2 mata. 3-4-2 mati.
Finding item number 3.
3 নাই এতিয়াও নাই আকৌ নাই বুলি লিখি দিয়ক দুবাৰ মাতিব নাই
That's it.
none appears on call for the petitioner দুটা আকৌ যেন মাতা বুলি লিখি দিম নেকি কেনেকৈ লিখিম none appears on call but yes 4-2 মাতি 4
Item number 4.
That is lost. My lord, this case, my lord, this
just a list item
My lord,
number 4,
litigation between
petition
husband
was
and
taken
wife
by
lawsuit.
by earlier আগৰ যিটো ডিটেকশ্যন কাটি দিব দিব নতুন ফ্ৰেছ কৰিব he was not appearing in fact yes
My lord, quarrel between husband and wife lordship, he has been arrested lordship. Now, before lordship, the parents-in-law lordship. My lord, father-in-law and mother-in-law before you lordship. My lord, he has been arrested, my lord, in my lord, forwarding report, my lord, the facts has been reiterated lordship. Kindly see at page 13 for 12 forwarding report lordship of the my lord, husband lordship. He has been arrested lordship at page 12. Kindly see lordship. The IU has here in my lord mail allegation against the husband lordship. The petitions are my lord parents-in-law, my lord father-in-law and my lord mother-in-law, my lord may be protected city can maybe call for lordship. My lord, as a formality, my lord, in such cases, my lord, father-in-law or mother-in-law may involve lordship. Or may be
not
protected.
involved what is it
My lord, as a formality lordship, they have been,
actually
my
they are
lord,
not involved
they are not involved.
there are many cases they are involved
There are
many
many
cases
cases, my lord.
many cases even
My lord, he has been arrested. My husband has been arrested, lordship.
in the dowry death cases also they are involved
Yes,
fully involved
yes, I am not here. My lord,
mother-in-law father-in-law বলে কি হবো
we may be protected.
all men maybe the
Now
husband maybe one
he has been arrested, lordship.
husband
Yes, lordship.
Hi, Mr. M.H. Ahmed, the Land Council for the petition, R. Koshiko Hardcore, this is an application and section so and so. Considering the submission made by Land Council for the petitioner and also considering the other circumstances of this case, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail till the receipt of the case diary. Okay, will be under interim protection when it can be called for. 23rd of July.
All right, lordship.
Appear before the IU, there will be
Yes.
some conditions, abide by all the conditions.
All right, lordship.
Item number 10.
No, lordship. Petitioner before your lordship is a constable.
It's a constable. Acha.
Page 13 what is the vernacular person of the FIR?
1-3.
1-3. Married man.
Yes.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে মই এইচএছ পাছ কৰি বৰ্তমান NWT কাৰণে অনলাইন কোচিং কৰি আছো যোৱা 1 মে মানে ডেট ইজ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট মানে যোৱা 1 মে 2025 তাৰিখৰ পৰা নিম্নলিখিত এক নং আসামী লগত ইনষ্টাগ্ৰাম যোগে মোৰ লগত ভাল পোৱা সম্পৰ্ক হয় তো ইনষ্টাগ্ৰাম মানে
1 May. 1 May. 1st of May.
ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ মানে ইনষ্টাগ্ৰাম থ্ৰু
Through Instagram.
এক নম্বৰ আসামীজন অসম আৰক্ষী এজন আৰক্ষী কনিষ্টবল বৰ্তমান আসামীজনে গোসাইগাঁও থানাত পষ্টিংত কৰ্মৰত হৈ আছে আসামিজনে যোৱা 8-5 মানত 8/5/2025 তাৰিখে আমাৰ ঘৰৰ সন্মুখত লগ কৰে আৰু আমাৰ দুয়োৰে মাজত ভাল পোৱা ভাৱৰ আদান প্ৰদান হয়। This is on 8/5. পিছদিনা অৰ্থাৎ 9/5/2025 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে আসামিজনে মোক ফোনযোগে ধুবুৰী ফুৰিবলৈ মাতে আৰু মই ৰেডি হৈ আসামীৰ লগত যাওঁ on 9 মানত। First time on 8 minutes, then on next minute went to Dhuburi. আসামিজনে মোক ধুবুৰী গৌৰীপুৰ
And the overall value inform the present informant to go enjoy a Mela Milot near the Kavaitari in the district of Bongaigaon. Accordingly, my lord, next day, that was 9/12/2023, both present informant and that his friend went to that place, and after some time another person came and taken them to another place, that is Vidyapur, in a house, my lord. And there the present informant was entered in the house and he found that a girl is sitting there, and the girl is in naked position forcefully.
Just have a look to paragraph 5 by the page 6. Vehicle also unregistered without number, man. Your lordship got it, man. Paragraph 5. Petitioners beg to state that they are no connected to the alleged offense of neither they are named in the FIR. The actual fact of the case that on the day of the incident, a team of police personnel went to so-and-so in civil dress in an unofficial, unregistered vehicle having no number plates also. That will be 5 to 6.
Yes.
So naturally there is a doubt about that in the case might have come. So it is but natural. But our case, this person, nothing to, they have never done anything. Very responsible person. My prayer would be, your lordship can protect those persons in the meantime of the city may be called for. I'm just, they are very responsible person and there's no connected my lord.
My lord, here kindly produce page 16, my lord.
16.
16.
That I have
My lord,
already.
during Marpit and snatching of the accused, we sustained grievous injuries in our body parts, torn away the uniform.
That I have seen. That
On
is
every
nobody denying her. Nobody.
My
I
lord,
know
I think it should be a case for call for the case diary, in
Case
fact,
diary.
because these
Serious.
things are going on. One
Yes.
person, they mob one
Yes,
came, used to come and then they take away
the
these
accused.
things and
It
all.
happens.
These are going on.
It is going on.
If
But
a
here, madam,
is
what
there,
These people are really,
but here, these people are responsible. These people cannot be. Your lordship,
this place cannot be there.
madam, they are gazetted officers.
we'll
Madam.
call for the case diary.
Yeah.
Art Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate, assistant Mr. S.S. Ahmed, and also Hart so call for the case diary. Yes, when it can be fixed? 17 for 7. Mr. Chaudhary, otherwise I could have done, but it's not a case.
But
That's why.
sometimes, madam, innocent people also, my lord. It is there, madam. Nowadays, it is going on. I also
Going
admit,
on,
madam.
going on, it's going on.
But sometimes innocent people also get my lord that here.
14.
17 the lord.
Yes, we are giving on 17th.
17 July.
14 of provision.
14, what had happened?
Oh,
14
15
CD, by chance, he may not reach also. That what? Okay, one time.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Mr. Pre-arrest bail, my lord, your lordship will find the FIR at page 9, my lord.
Do it again. FI is paid?
Page 9, my lord. Translated copy, my lord.
Yes.
May I read, my lord? With due respect, begs to state that about 4 years back, my sister, namely so-and-so, got married with accused number 1. Accordingly, she became mother of a daughter. But my sister often informed me over phone that the family members of her husband harassed her by demanding dowry. Accordingly, we help her husband by giving furniture and money. But the above named accused person were not happy and on 19/5/25 demanded 1 lakh as dowry and the above named accused person tortured mentally. My sister informed me over phone at 4 p.m. and 7:18 at night that the above named accused person demanded dowry and mentally harassed her by mentally and physically. It is very sad that on 20/05/25 in the morning, my sister committed suicide for torture of the above named accused person. Now your lordship will see in the above accused, my lord, Accused number 1 is the husband. Accused 2 and 3, my lord, father-in-law, and number 3 is the brother-in-law. And 4, my lord, Taslima Khatun, my lord, she is the sister-in-law, my lord. My lord, the brother-in-law and the sister-in-law, my lord, they reside separately. My lord, in this case, the petitioner before your lordship is the husband and the sister-in-law, my lord. Well, at present, my lord, I am only praying for the sister-in-law, my lord, because she resides separately, not in the residence. my
No,
lord.
this petition is for
For the husband, my lord,
Number one.
Number 1, I am not pressing at this stage, my lord. And Taslima Khatun, my lord, the sister-in-law, my lord, whose husband got arrested and subsequently he is out on bail, my lord. Taslima Khatun, wife of Sariful Islam, my lord. Accused number 2 is Sariful Islam, my lord.
where she stays?
Well, they stay separately, my lord. Not in the residence, my lord, of the victim, my lord.
Yes.
Otherwise, allegations are against all the accused person. Seems that they reside in the same village, my lord. or
Same
whether-
village, no?
Same village.
Sister-in-law can be protected, my lord,
Dear Lord.
because I'm not pressing for the husband at this stage.
And yeah, her husband, when he got bail,
My lord.
the accused number 2, that is her husband, when he got bail.
That exactly I don't know, my lord, but he got bail, my lord. Obviously, my lord, the incident occurred on, my lord, 20th of May. 20th of May. Today is, my lord, what, 1 month. So that means, my lord, around 20 days or
Maybe.
something.
Heard Mr. N.J. Doctor, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Doctor, the learned counsel for the petition, that the petitioners are both the petitioners are innocent and they have not committed any such offense as alleged in the FIR. The petition number 1 is the husband of the deceased, and the petition number 2 is the sister-in-law of the deceased. He further submitted that the petitioner number 2 resides separately and she has not committed any such offense as alleged in the FIR. Being a lady, she may be protected with some interim. She may be given some interim protection so that she can appear and cooperate in the investigation of this case. Next para, Mr. Kaushik, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that petitioner number 2 may be the sister-in-law of the deceased, but in the FIR, all the accused petitioners are stated to be involved in the arrest offense, and accordingly he insisted to call for the case diary. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for so and so, CDB called for so and so, and considering the other aspects of the case, the petitioner number 2, namely Taslima Khatun, is hereby interim DD. Okay, she will be under interim protection, not
Right.
for 1.
Right.
Number 2 has a interim protection. When it can be fixed? 24.
Deeply aware.
14.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes.
The FIR is at page number 17, Lordship. May I read the FIR? Lordship?
Page number 17.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা 26/5/2025 তাৰিখে দিনৰ 2 মান বজাত মোৰ নাবালিকা 15 বছৰীয়া ছোৱালী মিছ ইয়াছমিনাৰা আহমেদ ভাত পানী খাই ঘৰৰ সমূহতে জিৰণি লৈ থকা অৱস্থাতে নিম্ন উল্লেখিত পদকীয়াগণে লগত দুজনমান সংগীৰ সৈতে AS01HC 3772 নম্বৰ সুইফট ডিজায়াৰ গাড়ীখনত আহি ইয়াছমিন আৰাক অপহৰণ কৰি লৈ যায় আৰু প্ৰায় 30 মিনিট মান পিছত ছোৱালীজনীৰ মোবাইল ফোন যোগে ফোন কৰি মোৰ মাজু ছোৱালীজনীক জনাই যে তাইক এজন লৰাই পলুৱাই নিয়া বুলি লৰাজনৰ নাম ৰফিউল কৰিম লগতে আৰু দুজন লৰাও আছে ছোৱালী বিচাৰি থকা বাবে এজাহাৰ দিয়াত পলম হ'ল the present petitioner is number 3 Saklin Mostaq alias Papu. The specific allegation against the Rafiul Karim, the the victim girl had said that in the FIR that the informant specifically stated in the FIR that phone কৰি মাজু ছোৱালীজনীক জনাই যে তাইক এজন লৰাই পলুৱাই নিয়া বুলি লৰাজনৰ নাম ৰফিউল কৰিম and your honor kindly come to page number 25 of my 23 of my application lordship. This is the order passed by the learned court below on 9/6/2025. The main accused person Rafeul Karim is about 26 hours. He has been arrested and he has been sent to the judicial custody. And also, my lord, page number 25, it is revealed that the victim girl has been recovered. My humble submission is that, my lord, I do not have any connection with the kidnapping of the victim girl, and it is specifically mentioned by the informant itself that Rafeul Karim took away the girl, kidnapped the girl. It is the allegation. And already, my lord, the main accused person and the victim girl has been behind the bar, and the victim girl has been recovered, lordship. Statement may be recorded, lordship. In the meantime, maybe I will appear before the investigating officer. I may be protected, lordship.
What is section 87? Kidnapping?
Yes, lordship.
And 35?
Common intention, lordship.
35 common intention.
My lord, I have stated in my paragraph number 4, paragraph number 3.
There
of
were
my
two
application.
other boys. They
Two
are
other boys.
specifically mentioned in the FIR.
Two other points. My story is that I have elaborated in my paragraph number 3 at page number 3. May I read out the?
No. You are also there because you are the FIR named accused.
I am the FIR, yes, absolutely. I am a FIR accused, but I am the cab driver, and the vehicle which is stated in the FIR, it belongs to the main accused person. And I ride cab here in Guwahati. I am just a cab driver, Lord. As per direction of the owner, I went to my native village, and all the three FIR person belongs to the same village. And we know, accordingly, I went to they as per direction of the prime accused, lordship, I went along with him to my native village, and he told me that let's go for roaming around to see my girlfriend. And he went to the place that is near under the jurisdiction of Kolagaon police station, and he took away the girl. And the purpose of the investigation has almost completed, since the prime accused has been detained and the girl has also been recovered. I will appear before the police officer, lordship. I will submit the vehicle also. The vehicle is with me, lordship.
Vehicle is not yet seized?
Yes, I will submit the vehicle before the police station, lordship.
Yes.
Otherwise, going by the forwarding report of the other accused, my lord, the victim was sexually exploited, my lord, and she was taken to Gujarat.
Lordship, the main Gujarat, one of the sister of the prime accused resides in Gujarat, and we have cooperated with the police, lordship. The police came to my parents' house and knocked my door and threatened that.
Also. Now, what has happened, my lord, in a specific paragraph, my lord, may kindly turn to page 4, paragraph 5 of my petition, my lord. That despite the aforesaid departmental proceeding, my lord, the police of Lahore police station on 14/6, 15/6 and 16/6 is now calling the petitioner and asking him to appear before the officer in charge of Lahore police station, Morigaon. On asking for reason, the police of Lahore police station, without disclosing any case or offense, insisted to appear before the said police station on so and so. As such, there is an apprehension of arrest of the petitioner. Lord, what has happened, my lord? I have inquired into, my lord, I have come to know that as the departmental proceeding has been initiated for the offense of forgery for the purpose of provincialization of a staff of the same school. Now, my lord, subsequently, I have heard, my lord, not confirmed from the office of the inspector of school that FIR had also been registered. Now, my lord, my relatives, even my brother has also went to the police station, my lord, to know that whether any case had been registered or not. That has not been disclosed, but repeated telephone calls are coming from the police station, my lord, and that's why I have repeated, my lord, specifically stated. So, my lord, at this moment, my lord, may I humbly pray, my lord, that my learned friend can obtain instruction, my lord, that whether there is any case or not, If, my lord, we can follow the due process of law, my lord.
My lord, I will take instruction, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. No, Baki Eku nilikhibo. This is an application to assemble. This is an application. Baki particulars now, no? Under section 482 CRPC seeking anticipatory bail for the present accused petitioner. It is submitted by from Lahori Ghat, nahi, it is. It is submitted by Mr. Bhuyan that the present accused petitioner is presently facing a departmental proceeding and he is under suspension. Now suspension, full stop. But in spite of the departmental proceeding, the police from Lahori Ghat police station is repeatedly calling the present petitioner on various occasions, and that is on 14/6/2025, 15/6/2025, and 16/6/2025. And subsequently, he was also asked to appear before the Lahori Ghat police station on 17/6/2025 without disclosing any registration of case, even after several requests and such made in the said police station. Next para, and accordingly, the present petition had to file seeking the anticipatory bail for the present petition. Next para, considering the submission made by land counsel for both sides, let a police report be called for as to whether any case has been registered against present petitioner in Lahori Ghat police station. When it can be fixed?
Any date, lordship may.
The date means after vacation only.
Application.
Immediately on 14th, maybe 14th only.
14th. My lord,
Because
15,
you have to take
my lord, 15.
15. Okay, list on 15. Go ahead.
Obligation, highly obligation.
16.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
This is PRS bail application. FIR is at page 13. This is vernacular 13. May I read?
Yes.
সন্মানপূর্বক নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 12/6/25 তাৰিখে ৰাতি অনুমান 10:30 বজাত 1 আৰু 2 নং আসামী পূৰ্ব পৰিকল্পিতভাৱে ষড়যন্ত্ৰমূলকভাৱে এজাহাৰী পুত্ৰ মজিদুল ইছলামক ফোন কৰি 1 নং আসামীৰ ঘৰত মাতি নিয়ে। লগে লগে স্থানত 3, 4 আৰু 5 নং আসামীয়ে হাতত টকা কাটি ধৰি 5ৰ পৰা 7জন ভাড়াতীয়া গুণ্ডাই আহি মজিদুল ইছলামক হত্যা কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে 3, 4 আৰু 5 নং আসামীয়ে মূৰত পিঠিত হাতত কোবাই ফালি দিয়ে। ফলত গুৰুতৰ জখম হয় ও প্ৰচুৰ ৰক্তপাত হয়। আসামীজনে দলবদ্ধভাৱে বেগাৰ লাঠি দাৰে মজিদুল ইছলামক বগৰাই হত্যা কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে গোটেই দেহাটোত ফালি দি ৰক্তপাত কৰি মৃত্যু যোৱা বুলি ভাবি ঘটনাস্থলীৰ পৰা গুচি যায়। পিছত গাঁওবাসীয়ে ঘটনাস্থলীত আহি লগে লগে অভয়াপুৰী হস্পিটেললৈ লৈ আহে 108 গাড়ী, কিন্তু অৱস্থা সংকটজনক দেখি বঙাইগাঁও চিভিল হস্পিটেলক প্ৰেৰণ কৰে আৰু বৰ্তমান তাতেই মৃত্যুৰ সৈতে যুঁজি আছে। চিকিৎসা ব্যস্ত থকাৰ কাৰণে এজাহাৰ দিয়াত পলম হ'ল। Actually, my lord, 1 and 2, they are the main culprit. All they are from same village and all their friends. This present petitioner, he is a number 4. He not took part in the marpit. He is a friend, my lord, and he tried to, my lord, actually stop this fighting. That is his role, my lord. I have narrated in paragraph 5 of my petition, my lord.
109 is attempt to murder.
That section is there. That section is there. The actual culprit is, my lord, 1 and 2, not 4. I am for 4, my lord.
118 is previous hurt.
Previous hurt.
109 is attempt to murder.
And 61 too?
61 is
That is criminal conspiracy.
And 189 is probably unlawful offense.
Now, I am not denying the case, my lord, but thing is that he is not taking part in Marpit, my lord. That is number 1 and 2, my lord, who took part, my lord. All they are friends from same place, my lord. So I am ready to cooperate with investigation.
You have submitted, oh, it's okay, but the Bharatiya Gunda Hawa Mohibul Islam হত্যা কৰিছে 3, 4 আৰু 5 নং আসামীয়ে
Yes.
মূৰত পিঠিত হাতত কোবাই ফালি দিয়ে
Yes. He-
So as per FIR, I'm not, otherwise I'm not saying you may not be took the active part or active
My-
role, may
my-
be, but
my lord.
as per the FIR, there your involvement is very
His
much
name is
there.
there. His name is there because
Not
he-
only name, the how you committed this, I mean assaulted this, these are also here.
Yes.
So better to call for the case diary and with the medical report.
Yes,
Let us see.
If there any material against me, interim may be vacated also.
So if you go by the FIR, it's not a case because the way they assaulted, it's a very thing, and I don't know whether he got sense when the FIR was lost on. FIR was lost on
13/6.
13/6, and
Sunday.
today is.
Today is Lordship 24.
By that time, I don't know. He may die also, the person.
Yes. No, let it be on the reopening.
My instruction is that he has already been released.
Released. Okay.
Released.
18/7.
How many?
18/7.
He is not in interim. Let it be on 15/7 then.
15/7.
List on 15/7. CDB call for. CDB call for because specific allegation against you in the FIR.
Yeah,
If-
name
if
is
we
there.
go-
Name
go
is
if we
there.
have saying that-
Then I also admit name is
Yes,
there.
name is there. 15 you are saying, no?
Yes.
15/7 is diary. Okay.
17.
Yeah, also Lordship CD will be required, Lordship. Murder section is there, 1031.
Murder is there.
Yes. None is there.
So should we call for or let it be? No, we're timing, we're not keeping anything. Timing. Non-appears on call for the petitioner. Let the matter be listed after vacation then. Let the matter be listed after vacation.
18.
Wait, please, also. My lord, in this matter, my lord,
Yes.
my only prayer at this stage is that, my lord, there is a connected item, my lord, where CD has already been called for and CD is there in the connected item, my lord.
When it is fixed,
It has no fixed date, my lord.
then
My lord,
no fixed date means, what was the order? Fixed date was not
no,
there.
after 2 weeks. It was to be listed after 2 weeks. my lord,
In
along
which
with
court it was pending?
3.
Court number 3.
3, yes. So thereafter, my lord, the CD was also directed to be retained.
CD was directed to be retained. No, it was called for and perused.
No. During hearing stage, my lord, we took a time, my lord.
Oh,
for-
acha, acha.
Yes, so that's
Just
why-
then tell us the number.
Yes, AB 1062.
AB
1062
1062
oblique 25.
25.
So my only prayer is that, my lord, this matter may be tagged with
Tagged
that
with
matter, and my lord, both the matters may come up before vacation, my lord, any sort date, my lord, since CD is there. my lord.
Before vacation, we are not in a
27.
position to say anything. You have also seen.
Yes.
We are not in a position to say anything. Before vacation, whether it will come or not.
Reopening week, Lordship. In the meantime, 2 weeks also pass on that case. Lordship.
Simple, we'll do one thing otherwise.
Well.
Registry may list to been tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It may be listed.
Without
That's
fixing
why
the
without fixing any date,
Come
we
up
just
with that.
come up with a petition. Heard Mr. Estas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. V. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. Considering an expert, considering this submission made by Mr. Das, let the present anticipated bail application be tagged with AB number 1062/2025 and list accordingly. Okay.
Item 19.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
So pre-arrest bail application, lordship. The petitioner is before your lordship for a third time, lordship. Lordship, offense under section 409 and 420 IPC. Petitioner is lordship working as ASI of Kinsukia DEF District Executive Force.
Now see, this is third time, definitely
time.
will call for the case diary.
Case diary will be required, lordship.
On what ground you are coming again?
Lordship, that he has filed the petition before the learned court below seeking the status of the investigation.
Okay.
And thereafter, a report has been furnished by the IO stating that the interrogation of the petitioner is required, and for that purpose, the investigation is pending. Lordship.
Lordship, he is a government employee, Lordship. He will, Lordship, appear and cooperate.
It is not a
Only Lordship appearance is that if he appears, he will be definitely taken into custody, Lordship. Yes,
So
Lordship.
other the earlier rejected order you have annexed here?
Yes, two orders.
Okay.
Page number 30, second order. Page number 29. And then Lordship, page number 22. 22 and 29.
Okay.
The entire case is based on documentary evidence, Lordship. While he was, Lordship, working as a Lordship constable in the traffic branch, and allegation is that he misappropriated a sum of Lordship 56,59,000, which was collected as a fine under MBA, Lordship.
Oh, that was the case.
That
huh?
was the case, Lordship.
I can remember.
That was the case. And that
So
case
now
on
new ground is
documentary
only interrogation. Your new
Only-
ground is?
I am required for the purpose of interrogation, and only for that fact that the investigation is pending, Lordship. I am ready to, Lordship, cooperate, and an entire case is based on, Lordship, documentary evidence, Lordship. On that ground, Lordship.
My submission is Lordship will call for the case study.
No, definitely will call for
Up
it.
to that case day, Lordship.
And
And
the question of maintainability of the third application, open Lordship. On that day we will.
Okay. Heard Mr. N. Hassan, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, section so and so, in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. N. Hassan that this is the third application for anticipatory bail after rejection of the earlier two bail applications. However, he submitted that the petitioner also approached the learned trial court below with an application wherein, as per report of the IO, as per the status of the case, the case is pending for filing of the charge sheet, case is pending for interrogation of the present petitioner, which is required in for the purpose of investigation. Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, submitted that CD may be called for and the maintainability of the third consecutive bail application may be kept open, full stop. The next para, list the matter when it can be listed.
22nd July.
22nd of July. They list on 22nd of July. Proceed.
could it be on 23rd?
23rd. 23rd of July.
Complex.
Oh,
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
yes.
Actually, my lord, my item number is 3, Your Lordship. I have.
We called it twice, in fact. Sorry. We called it twice. That's why, because we notified it at 11:20, it will be twice. And then I thought that some matters maybe may not be notification, notice may not be there. So we kept it all this. We didn't pass any order. For my court so moto, we kept it for time being. Then again, again he called for, then it was absent. Second time again we call for, then whether you then it's okay. What to do? Why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yep.
Much.
Okay.